Optimizing your Xbox Series X graphics settings can enhance your gaming experience by improving performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access Settings. Navigate to the home screen of your Xbox Series X, then select the Settings option. From there, go to General and choose TV and Display options to start adjusting your graphics settings. Step 2. Adjust Resolution. In the TV and Display options menu, look for the resolution setting. Set it to the highest available option, typically 4K UHD, to ensure the best visual quality. Make sure your TV supports this resolution for optimal results. Step 3. Enable HDR. Still in the TV and Display options, find the HDR setting. If your TV supports high dynamic range, enable HDR to improve color and contrast in supported games. This will enhance the overall visual experience. Step 4. Configure refresh rate. Check the refresh rate option in the same menu. If your display supports it, set the refresh rate to 120 Hz for smoother gameplay. This is especially beneficial for fast-paced games, providing a more responsive experience. Step 5. Game mode settings. Finally, ensure that your TV's game mode is enabled. This setting reduces input lag and optimizes the display for gaming. You can usually find this option in your TV settings menu, and it can significantly improve your gaming performance. By following these steps, you can optimize your Xbox Series X graphics settings for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your enhanced visuals and performance.